Hi, Sabrina Sailas here from South State on 5th Avenue, standing in front of my latest listing in Cypress Trail RV Resort in Fort Myers, Florida, lot 467. Let's go check out this fabulous park model.
This turnkey park model home sits on a 35 by 90 pad with a screened-in lanai, perfect place for a cup of coffee, a glass of wine, and watching the sunset. The open floor plan blends the living area and the kitchen, creating an inviting space where you can cook, relax, and entertain. The kitchen comes fully equipped with appliances, plenty of cabinet space to keep everything organized. The bedroom is thoughtfully designed with built-in drawers, closets, offering ample storage while still feeling the coziness for a good night's rest. This property offers 2 outside areas for entertainment, with the back area providing the perfect private area for relaxing. This is more than a home, it's your own little piece of paradise. Don't miss the chance to make it yours and start living the RV resort lifestyle without needing an RV.